The 655-acre retreat provides such a diverse setting. You've got deep canyons that are just big views that go on for quite literally hundreds of miles. On top of that, there's 120 acres of a productive farm. The gem of the Norway Canyon Hunting Retreat is the lodge. The lodge sets up in a beautiful setting overlooking the beautiful Norway Canyon and big views of the Bitterroot Range. The lodge sits on top of the rim of the canyon and consists of 6 luxury rooms in the top of the lodge, and then a big dining room area, and then also a outside dining room area with screened in features for just a beautiful setting. There's a full service bar, there's a full commercial kitchen, and outside of lodge there's 3 guest cabins. There's elk, there's mule deer, there's whitetails, and then of course the bird hunting. There's some pretty incredible chukar hunting, pheasant hunting, and turkey hunting all on this property. When I had the first opportunity to come out and tour this property, I was able to get out on an archery elk hunt and woke up in the lodge, looked out, and there was actually 4 bulls staring across at me from the canyon, only 600 yards away. Got my gear on, made a trip around the canyon, and ended up getting in on those bulls. Was not successful, but it just shows the components of being only a 655-acre property. The game and proximity to the lodge is just incredible. This morning we got out on a turkey hunt. The ranch manager was successful shooting a beautiful tom, again, all within a couple hundred yards of this lodge. The journey to the ranch itself is awe-inspiring. You end up coming onto the edge of the Kamiah Prairie, right where the ranch begins. You drop over and have this big overview of the canyon. For those seeking live water adventures, Idaho has more moving water than any other state in the country. And on this property, you are surrounded by the Clearwater, the Salmon, the Snake River, all world-class, very large western rivers, all within a short distance from sitting on the ranch itself.